the 6Y. I. Combining the number 6 stretch vowel with the Y buzz. Feel that full mouth opening. You need a big opening for this. Proper tongue tip placement. Like the 6, huh? And then a buzzing on the hard palate as the sound ends. I. Blended into one sound. I. A little bigger opening. I. Time. Commonly mispronounced as
I am on time.
I'm on time.
I'm on time.
I'm on time. I'm on time. I'm on time.
Once again, be sure that big structural shape is there with a big lip opening. Then follow through with feeling that vibrating E. I'm time. Time. Good. Feel a good, strong, vibrating E in the second stage. Time. Time. My. White. 5. 9. Dime. Light. Type. Stage 2. I, time, my, white, 5, 9, dime, light, type. Stage 3. I, time, my, white, 5, 9, dime, light, type.